Magandang araw mga mags. So, ang i-feature natin na video ngayon ay itong wedding na naging viral dito sa Negros Oriental. At dahil nga sa mga maraming rasones, kaya yun, may wedding take 2. So, ito ngayon ang i-feature natin, yung wedding take 2 ng mag-asawa at yun nga ang mga naging pagkasal dito ay isang civil marriage na, at ang lahat ng mga gastusin ay sa mga wedding coordinators ng Negros Oriental. So ito na, simulan na natin.
Let's give a big round of applause once again. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Joey and Janine. Let's now proceed with our photo opportunity. We'd now like to request our couple for a photo together with Mayor Manjo Sisig. To our couple's first dance. What a beautiful thing to witness. But of course, at this point, we will let Janine and Joey continue their moment on the dance floor. But this time around, everyone will now have a chance to express your wishes of prosperity for our couple. Envelopes will be provided for all of you. And of course, our couple will be wearing a sash. Make sure you pin your envelopes on the sash that they are wearing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now proceed to our prosperity dance.
Tira.
Right, thank you so much. And once again, we would like to request the audience to please give your resounding applause for our newlyweds, Janine and Josie. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request the couple to please proceed to your wedding cake. As you can see right here, we have a lot of wedding cakes actually, and you have multiple sponsors for this. But in this particular tradition, which is the cake slicing ceremony, we will be slicing this cake on top, courtesy of Sans River. So you see, the cake slicing ceremony is another tradition that is engulfed in symbolism. It represents the couple's commitment to provide for each other's needs, and there will be no more me, mine, mine. But this time, as they share the wedding cake with everyone who is here, it will be we, us, and ours. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to witness the cake slicing ceremony of Jody and Janine.
There you go. I would like to request our couple to please stay at the center so that everyone will get to witness the both of you share the cake with each other. And of course, as what my partner Anthony here mentioned, even the sharing of the cake, ladies and gentlemen, also is filled with a lot of symbolism. You know, our couple sharing the cake with each other symbolizes their willingness to fulfill each other's needs through ups and downs. So Jolie and Janine, you may now share the cake with each other. As sweet as it looks. You know, of course, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, all to continue on a celebration for our newlyweds, Joey and Janine. We will now be, of course, proceeding to our wine toasting. And to lead us in our toast,